Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something incredibly helpful, especially if you create educational content, training materials, or fun interactive posts. We're diving into Canva's Quiz Maker for 2025, and I'll show you exactly how to create a fully customized quiz using Canva's built-in templates. It's easier than you might think, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design a quiz that looks clean, professional, and completely your style. Let's get started. The first step is simple. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the search bar at the top. This is where the magic begins. Type quiz and make sure you're under the template section before hitting enter. In just a moment, you'll see a wide collection of quiz designs. Everything from colorful trivia layouts to sleek, minimalist question sets. You'll notice that some templates have a small crown icon on the corner. That crown means the design is for pro users, so if you're using the free version, stick to templates without the crown. Canva still offers plenty of beautiful free options, so you won't feel limited at all. Once you find a design that fits the style of quiz you want to make, go ahead and click Customize this template. Canva will load the full presentation, and you'll see all the slides laid out: title page, instructions, questions, answer choices, and more. When a pop-up asks if you want to apply all pages, simply click Apply All. Now the full quiz is yours to edit. This is where you can get creative. Start by choosing the first slide. Maybe you want to add a logo, a class photo, or a fun graphic. To do that, head over to the Elements tab or open your uploads and drag in any image you want. Resize it, reposition it. Canva gives you complete control. Next, move to the Direction or Instruction slide. This is where you can tell participants how your quiz works. Double-click any text to edit it. Everything on this page is fully customizable: fonts, colors, layout. You can keep it exactly how the template designed it or adjust it to match your theme or brand. Now let's move into the first question. This part is surprisingly straightforward. Click on the question text, delete the placeholder, and type in your own. Maybe you're asking something like, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Below that, edit the choices by selecting each text box. Replace A, B, C, or D with the answers you want. If your template includes an image on the side, you can swap it out easily. Once again, go to your uploads, drag your new image onto the existing one, and Canva will automatically replace it while preserving the format. It's a quick way to keep your quiz visually engaging. Repeat this process for each slide. Change questions, update answers, add photos, tweak layouts. Every page is customizable, and Canva autosaves as you work, which is always a bonus. Once you finish all the questions, give your quiz one final read-through to make sure everything looks polished and consistent. When you're satisfied, you can download it as a PDF, share it online, or present it directly from Canva. It's ready to use for classes, events, training sessions, or even fun social media challenges. And that's all you need to create a clean, professional quiz using Canva's Quiz Maker. It's fast, it's flexible, and once you build your first one, you'll see how many possibilities there really are. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.